Want to know if it's cool to have a drainage pipe pop out of your exterior wall and then make a 90-degree turn into the ground to hook up with your main sewer line? Alright, so first off, yeah, you can totally have a drainage pipe do that. Just make sure to protect the part that's outside, like covering it with a box or some kind of shield to keep it safe from sun damage and whatever else might mess with it. You'll want to use a regular 90-degree elbow for the turn, but when it connects to your main waistline, swap that out for a Y fitting instead. It helps keep everything flowing smoothly with less chance of clogs. The Y should connect above the center line of your main pipe, so the water drains properly without backups. Also, if you live somewhere cold, make sure that pipe outside doesn't freeze by insulating it or keeping it above freezing conditions. Don't just bury it right at ground level if there's a risk of freezing. And always check your local plumbing codes, since some places have specific rules on how close to the surface pipes can be or what materials you have to use. If you handle these things, your drainage setup will work fine and last longer without annoying leaks or damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with exterior drainage pipes is not protecting them from the sun and weather, which causes cracking and leaks. Fix this by covering or boxing the pipe. Another common problem is using the wrong fitting at the main sewer connection. Instead of a Y, some use a regular 90-degree elbow, which can cause blockages. Using the right Y fitting above the main pipe's center line solves this. Lastly, folks often bury the pipe too shallow in cold areas, leading to freezing and bursting. You can avoid this by insulating the pipe or placing it below the frost line according to local rules. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners because it makes finding reliable local contractors easy and stress-free. Plus, contractors get connected with real clients who need their services, so everyone wins.